Welcome to this week's online research tutorial from the Tyndale Education Library. Today we're going to take a look at online reference resources and how to find them on the library website. We're also going to talk about why reference resources are so great and why they're better for academic research than Wikipedia. Think about the following scenario. Have you ever needed a broad overview for a topic that you knew little about? Or was there a time that you needed to find a quick fact that would help you build that perfect argument for a thesis? If so, then chances are that you might have already used a reference resource, either at home or at your library. Reference resources are printed electronic resources that are used to provide answers to specific questions or to point to other printed electronic resources that can help you during the research process. Reference resources could be dictionaries, handbooks, almanacs, encyclopedias, bibliographies, webliographies, and yes, even Wikipedia. But here's something to think about. Wikipedia may not always be appropriate for the academic research process. Why? Because no matter how well the article is written, your professor might question Wikipedia as being a credible resource because of its open nature. That means that anyone with internet access and a Wikipedia account can make changes to any article found on Wikipedia. As such, some professors and academics may raise questions about the credibility of the original authors to write on certain topics, and may feel that the articles may contain false or misleading information. Academics and librarians often recommend published works for the sole purpose that they tend to have a more reliable and accountable editorial process. Now let's go to the Tyndale Education Library website to find out how to access the reference resources online. If you go to the main page and click on the Online Resources tab, you'll find a number of research guides in the Research Guides column. We've created a list of online reference resources in the Education Research Guide. To access that guide, simply click on the link and then click on the Getting Started tab. You'll notice that we created two different sections for reference resources. Section 1 contains general reference resources, which are resources that cover a multiple number of academic disciplines. The reference resources for education section contains reference resources that cover education-related topics. Now let's try an example of how a reference resource might be able to help you with your academic research. Let's say you have to write a small paper on techno-literacy for one of your courses. In this example, we'll try the Gill Virtual Reference Library to find some introductory articles. Enter the term techno-literacy into the search engine. And then press the magnifying glass. The Gill Virtual Reference Library will pull up a series of introductory articles on techno-literacy, or articles that mention techno-literacy in its content. To access the article, click on the title of the article. Each article contains introductory materials, as well as issues surrounding the concept, research areas, and further readings to help you pursue your study. Each article also contains citation information at the end in case you want to cite the content in your research paper. This concludes today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more research tutorials in the upcoming weeks. If you need more assistance, you can always visit us at the circulation desk, or you can speak with one of the librarians online at libanswers.tyndale.ca. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.